Hello friends, how's you all? Welcome back to my channel Trigger Your Mind. This is my third video related to knowledge about India. I hope you will watch my first and second video and you like it. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's get started. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. In my every video there is 15 question with 4 options. My third video is about knowledge about India, and now see how much of you know about your country. This is my first part, knowledge about India. If you like this, I make more parts about this. Now get started. Question first, how many states are in India? 30, 28, 29, 26. There are 28 states in India. Question 2. How many Lok Sabha seats are in India 2020? 552, 550, 526, 548. Because of increasing 2 seats in 2020, the right answer is 552 seats. Question 3. How many Rajya Sabha seats are in India 2020? 289, 245, 240, 300. The right answer is 245 seats are in Rajya Sabha. Question 4. Which is the largest coffee producing state in India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh. The right answer is Karnataka. Question 5. Which is the largest state in India? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Lucknow. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Question 6. Which is the smallest state in India? Punjab, Goa, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Goa is the smallest place in India. Question 7. How long is India? 2,50,000, 2,10,000, 1,90,000 years. The right answer is 2,50,000 year old. Question 8. Who found India? Leonardo da Vinci, Vasco da Gama, Lamarck, Allen Bean. The right answer is Vasco da Gama found India. Question 9. What is the population of India? 1.3 billion, 1 billion, 1.2 billion, 98 crore. The right answer is 1.3 billion, which we can also say that 1,38 crore. Question 10. How many districts are in India? 640, 718, 710, 528. The right answer is 718 districts are in India. Question 11. How many union territories are in India? 8, 7, 9, 6. Due to new rule, there is 9 union territories in India. Question 12. Name the largest union territory. Daman and Diu, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep and Chandigarh. The right answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island is known as the largest union territory in India. Question 13. Name the smallest union territory in India. The right answer is Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India. Question 14. How many regional languages are in India? In India, there is 22 regional languages. Question 15. Who ruled the India first? Maurya Empire, British Raj, Mughal Empire, Gupta Empires. The right answer is Maurya Empires.